tallest of them all. Baby animals, each one has a mommy too. Baby animals, let's find out who is who. A baby dog is a puppy, wagging its tail. A baby cat is a kitten, soft as a snail. A baby sheep is a lamb, all fluffy and white. And mommy sheep's is Bah, holding it tight. Baby animals, each one has a mommy too. Baby animals, let's find out who is who. A baby horse is a foal, on wobbly legs. A baby hen is a chick, hatched from little eggs. A baby frog is a tadpole, swimming in the pond. Mommies love their babies, a bond so strong. Baby animals, each one has a mommy too. Baby animals, let's find out who is who. A baby bear is a cub, cozy in the den. A baby fox is a kit, 1, 2, 3, then 10. A baby duck is a duckling, paddle, paddle, go. Waddling with mommy duck, all in a row. Calf and puppy, kitten and lamb, foal and chick, here we stand. Tadpole, cub, and kitten, duckling too. Every little baby has a mommy who loves you. Baby animals, each one has a mommy